This year, monsoon has been very unexpected, and with monsoon comes a few health problems. Monsoon is the trickiest season of the year, and that is why we need to ensure our health is perfectly fine. Today, in this episode of Fit Tak, I, Isha Lal, your holistic wellness coach, will talk about foods you should include during monsoon that will keep your health issues away. जिंजर, हम सबको पता है जिंजर का फंक्शन क्या है. इट हेल्प्स विद डाइजेशन. बट नॉट ओनली दिस, ड्यूरिंग मानसून हमारा एयर एलिमेंट इंक्रीज हो जाता है, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि वाता हैज़ इंक्रीज्ड. एंड टू पैसिफाई वाता, जिंजर इज़ वेरी एसेंशियल. नॉट ओनली दिस, आपके न्यूट्रिएंट्स को टिश्यूज़ तक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का काम भी जिंजर बहुत अच्छे से करता है. सो डेफिनेटली हैव दिस इंग्रेडिएंट इन द किचन, ईदर फ्रेश जिंजर और ड्राई जिंजर. Another superfood you can add from your kitchen is garlic. Why garlic is important? In monsoon, our immunity weakens a little, and garlic is something which boosts your immunity. It is loaded with antioxidants. तो आप garlic को अपनी curries में, दाल्स में use कर सकते हैं. Not only this, when you make soups during monsoon, because soups are very heartwarming, add a little bit of garlic and you will see that your immunity shoots up. Coming to the third ingredient. If you remember in my last video, I said skip the greens during monsoon. Lekin there are two greens which are really beneficial during the monsoon, and they are number one, curry leaves. Curry leaves throughout monsoon should be consumed because they help prevent any infection in the body. They help prevent high cholesterol. आपके ब्लड प्रेशर को भी कंट्रोल में रखता है और इम्यूनिटी भी बूस्ट करता है. Apart from curry leaves, consume a little bit of mint as well during monsoon. Mint is very cooling for the body. You can add it in your salads. आप mint tea बना सकते हैं, या फिर lemonade पी रहे हैं, room temperature पे पीजिए and add a little bit of mint leaves to your lemonade. Another super ingredient that is in your kitchen for monsoons is none other than mung beans. Mung beans are supposed to balance all doshas, vata dosha, pitta dosha, kapha dosha. And during monsoon, हमारा air element और fire element, vata and pitta, they get disturbed. And hence consuming cooked mung beans is very important. You can consume it in the form of dal, soups, या फिर आप मूंग का चीला भी बना सकते हैं. But do not consume mung dal in raw or sprouted form during monsoon. Before we talk about the next super ingredient, I want to mention कि monsoon में हमारी immunity low क्यों होती है, हमारा digestion low क्यों होता है. Monsoon is a damp season, and because of that dampness हमारी digestion भी damp हो जाती है, हमारी immunity भी damp हो जाती है, because there is less digestive fire in the body, and इसलिए हमारी nutrients flow नहीं करते properly. So a grain that should be included in your diet should be a warming grain for the body, and that super grain is none other than jowar. So why jowar? Number one, it's a very warming grain. आप इसको रोटी की फॉर्म में या ज्वार दलिया जैसे भी आपका मन करे वैसे खाइए. Number two, it is rich in fiber, vitamin B3 and iron, which are so essential to keep your gut in perfect form, and आपकी immunity को boost करने के लिए भी B vitamins बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. There is no other super immunity booster food than turmeric. In monsoon, especially when you use turmeric either in cooking or on a general basis adding to your teas, it prevents any infection, and it also prevents sore throat or flu. Not only this, if you do gargles every day with turmeric and rock salt especially, you will see that your infections are gone. हम सबको पता है coriander seeds के बारे में, but why to consume coriander seeds during monsoon? Number one, it is rich in vitamin C. Number two, it's a natural detoxifier. So आपको infections नहीं होंगे, आपकी body में any inflammation if it is there, it is going to go away very quickly if you use coriander seeds. Not only this, coriander is very skin friendly. And during monsoon हमें पता है कुछ ना कुछ skin allergy is bound to happen. So why not consume coriander seeds fresh or make coriander and fennel tea on a regular basis during monsoon. During monsoon, another important thing to remember is that your digestion should be strong along with your immunity. And two seasonal foods you should include in your diet is bitter gourd, which is karela, and gourd, which is ghiya. Both of them are not very tasty vegetables, but they come with so many health benefits. Ghiya is great for boosting your digestive power, and karela we all know is filled with antioxidants. It's very alkaline और antiviral भी है. So no fevers, no infections if you consume these two seasonal vegetables on a regular basis. Do let us know in the comments which is your favorite superfood from the list that we mentioned. Also, do not forget to stay healthy this monsoon.